Don't worry. We sent all the riffraff in, so there'll be room for all of the quality people here. Yes. I take it you've all been here to the mansion before, yes? Oh, yes. We're quite popular, you know. That's because those grinning ghosts are socializing in the other graveyard. You'll see them shortly. Oh, but if you see any of the hitchhiking ghosts, do not give them a ride. No. We called them an Uber. They should not be. Welcome, friends. Come right on in. We've been looking for you.
When hinges creak in doorless chambers, and strange, frightening sounds fill the hall.
We have more time.
Welcome, foolish mortals, to the Haunted Mansion. I am your host, your ghost host. Kindly step all the way in, please, and make room for everyone. There's no turning back now.
Kindly drag your bodies away from the walls, off the red carpet to the dead. Center of the room.
Your cadaverous pallor betrays an aura of foreboding, hence a disquieting metamorphosis. Is this haunted room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination? Of course, there's always my way. Prematurely. The real chills come later. Now, as they say, look alive. And we'll continue our little tour. And let's all stay together, please. Watch your children. Flash pictures, please. Spirits are frightfully sensitive to bright lights. Our library is well stocked with priceless first editions. Only ghost stories, of course. And marble busts of the greatest ghost writers the literary world has ever known. They have all retired here to the Haunted Mansion. Actually, we have 999 happy points here. Any volunteers? You should decide to join us. Final arrangements may be made at the end of the
serpents and spiders, tail of a rat, call in the spirit. Tranquility, it's time to respond. Send us a message from somewhere beyond. Goblins and ghoulies from last Halloween, awaken the spirits with your tambourine.
The happy haunts have received your sympathetic vibrations and are beginning to materialize. They're assembling for you, swinging, waiting, and they'll be expecting you.
Be sure to bring your death certificate if you decide to join.
Now I will raise the safety bar, and a ghost will follow you home.
leave behind the lost ones here. Swamp, stand on the sand. Nobody knows where the swamp is at. Swamp, where the rhyming man. He runs away to find